Welcome back again to this new video. In this video, we're going to look at another data structure. This data structure uses the last in, first out principle. So it's a LIFO system. So the element that was added last into the stack should be removed first. Okay, you can look at that. You can look at that if I can give you an example of maybe a pile of plates on a table. So for example, we piled like 10 plates on the table. Okay, you can't remove the plate which is down at the bottom. You can't. You end up breaking everything. So what you have to do is to pick. You have to be picking from the top. Okay, you pick from the top. Okay. So for you to do this, to do this challenge, first create a folder. Okay, at the root of the project, at the root of this challenge, create a folder called stack, like did on the queue. In that folder, write a file. There's a there's stack.js file. Okay, inside the stack.js file, that's where you're going to implement the stack. Okay, but before we go into the implementation, let us look at the illustration of how the stack looks like. By the to do this illustration, there's an extension you have to install. Okay, it's called draw.io. Just have to install that extension and be able to make those illustrations without going to the draw.io website. You have the extension with you and you can work with it offline. It's a very pretty extension you can use. So this is an illustration of the stack, like the example I gave you of a pile of plates. So the first the first record that was added is this last one. This one was the first record which was added. Then this was the second record, and this was the third record. Now for you to remove a record from this stack, you have to pick this one first. Okay, so this one will be removed first, then this one will be removed second, and this one will be the last element to be picked from the stack. So that's how the stack works. Let us not waste a lot of time. So we're going to implement the stack, and the method we have to implement the push, pop, and the pick method. Alright, so let me go into the stack class. And inside the stack class, as usual, make some initializations here through the inside the constructor. So inside the constructor here, we're going to make some initializations. So the initialization as usual is the display data. You can name it anything, but display data is the very pretty name we can use for this case. We are using an array, remember? Okay. So let us implement our methods. So push, the push method shall set this dot data, this dot data dot push. We will know push. We will know the push method, the popular method on the array. Tags on an array. It adds element. It adds element on top of another element. Okay, so this push method has an argument called record. So that record is what you add inside the data array, right? So okay, so the other method is the pop method. What the pop method literally does, it removes elements from top. It removes an element on top of the stack. So you're going to return this data.pop. So pop is also a popular array method that we can find, that we can utilize here. And the last element, the last method is the pick method. Pick method doesn't remove, but just returns for you that element on top of the stack. So this dot data, okay, at this dot data dot length -1. Right. So let's create the instance of our stack class. So const is equal to new stack. So let us add elements into the stack. Do the stack dot add 1 a stack dot add b stack add c. So let us console our data, console log stack dot data. So let us execute this file through the terminal. So we're going to execute a node. No, we are inside the stack directory, the stack folder. So we're going to cd into that folder, cd into stack, and execute node stack.js file. Oh, wow, why am I getting errors? A is not defined. Well, A is not defined on line 32. Okay. Stack.add. Oh, sorry. This is a string. I don't know why I always forget the string. Okay. Adding strings. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. Okay. Oh, another error. Stack.add is not a function. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I'm really sorry. This is stack.push. 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 Okay, so let me this time it's going to work. Sorry for the typos. I'm really sorry. But that's the life of a developer. You always expect typos, errors. Don't give up. Alright, so this is our stack. First we pushed A, right? Then we pushed B. Then we pushed C last. So now let us try popping out elements from the stack. So let me pop. So stack dot pop. So I want this to appear before my console.log. Okay, I want this to appear before the console.log. Pick no stack dot pop. Then here I want stack dot pick. Then console.log the data once again. Console.log stack dot yeah no sorry let me just console.log the pick. Console.log Alright, so let me execute this. So when I pop, I expect this A to come out first. Alright. So let me execute once again. Node. Okay, let me see. Stack.pop. Oh. I pushed A. Okay. Yeah. So I pushed A first. So A is now currently at the bottom of the stack. I followed it with a B. B is now at the bottom of the stack. Then I last pushed what a C. So C is at the top of the stack. So when I do stack.pop, I expect C to be removed from the stack. So that's why I'm having, when I console log stack.data after popping out C, I'm left with A and a B, right? Yeah, wonderful. So at last here, I'm picking from the stack. So B will be console log. B will be logged on the console because it's at the top of the stack currently. So wonderful. So let me hope you've understood this data structure. It's a very important data structure for you to understand, to keep in mind. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. I'll always put the link. I'll put the link to the GitHub code in the description so that you can make a reference in case you get stuck somewhere. So in the next video, we're going to be using the stack, like we did in the queue. We're going to use the stack to do another interesting coding challenge that is a little bit popular in most interviews. So thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to this video and channel. That can help me grow. Thank you. Bye bye. We'll meet in the next video.